Alright, in this unboxing video, we're unboxing Cozmo, the little robot with a big brain, bigger personality. So this is what my kiddos got me for my Christmas present. So we all got robots of some kind. And let's do a box open of this one. Anna and Lydia are gonna help me on it. So first off, let's get this little piece right here. Lydia, I think Anna should help me with this. So we need to just get that little piece right there cut. Right there. I think I just cut it. Yep, I did. Let's turn it over the other side. Turn it over the other side. Okay, I'm going to cut this piece right here. And little stickers. Yep, perfect. Freeze. Freeze. So first thing you want to see is on the box it says it's almost human, expresses a range of emotions and recognizes yours, makes decisions based on his moods, has ever-changing needs for you to track. Uniquely yours, always games. Loves the freedom to explore and interact, challenges with games, speed and skill, develops new capabilities the longer you engage. This is fun for me because he's going to go on my office desk. He's going to be a little buddy.
Are you ever going to play with him, you think?
Oh, yeah. When I'm in the middle of stuff, he'll talk to me and we'll hang out. High tech, not technical. All you need is a compatible smart device. All right, let me start back. High tech, not technical. All it needs is a compatible smart device designed with privacy and security in mind, durable construction. And then included in the box is a Cozmo robot, 3 power cubes, and a charger. It says USB power adapter not included. That's okay, I'll connect him to my computer. And there's what he looks like on the box. And it says, only the coolest robot ever invented. Here's the cool thing. You can download on Amazon, Apple, and Google Play. So there's Android, iOS, and Amazon program that you can use. I'm going to do it on my Amazon tablet as well as my Apple. So there's that. Let's look at one more thing. See if it's got any more info. Well, that's it. So it's time to unbox. So, Anna, can you help me? And Lydia, let's see if we can lift the box up. See if we can lift it up. There you go. Oh, there he is. Hi, Cozmo.
Wait for the...
We're not gonna take stuff off yet. We're gonna leave it for a second. We're gonna figure out the rest of the box. Okay, let's see if this comes off. And there's something under here.
There's tape. There's a sticker
tape
right here.
No, leave that. Work on this. Let's take that tape off right there. Anna's figuring it out. And we're going to see what's under the box here.
Plastic.
This is the top of the box. It's a little case. It's pretty cool.
I'm taking plastic off.
There it is. Perfect. Now, Cozmo, we're going to set him right there. I'm not going to take him off. Start here. So the first thing you see in the box is start here. And inside of start here, it's got start here on both sides. I think we should start here. Yeah. So let's see what's in start here.
Ooh, a Cozmo sticker it looks like.
It's a Cozmo. Yeah, it is. It's a Cozmo sticker. And I'm going to leave that there.
Like instructions.
This is the quick start guide. So in the quick start guide, it says what we need. Oh, so there you go, folks. If you wondered, it's got all of the basic setup for Cozmo. He has a locked-in password, so you set a password for him. It's really good. Huh. It's perfect. So that's that. I'm going to put that here.
Looks like a coupon.
You've got a coupon for all ANKI products. So there's other products out there. I'm good. I don't need remote control cars. And then this is, of course, the warranty and information manual. Of course, you always get start. So what do we got here, Lids? What's in there? Pull them out one at a time. There's the smart cubes. And look, each one of them also has a tab you have to pull out when you go to start because, of course, it's got a battery. Battery in it as well.
There's something under this.
Okay, hold on. You got to get. So there's something under this.
Is it like a Rubik's Cube, maybe?
Look down in there. Oh, look at that. I believe this is his charging base. So let's pick it up this way. So there's that.
It's like a garage.
Information. Compatible with most USB adapters. Great. So you're going to bring out his base carefully. Do not hurt that base.
Here, let's...
Get the whole plastic out if you need to.
And under that is nothing.
There you go. Let's put that back in. That's silica gel. So for you guys online, my kids are figuring out what silica gel is. There you go. It keeps her from being water in it. So you got your base. That's your charger. You can set him on. Your 3 cubes. And then, of course, you need your own plug. I'm going to be using a computer. So he'll be sitting on my desk. And that's it. That's what's in the box. If you guys want to see us set Cozmo up, you'll have to watch our next video on Cozmo. And we'll show you how to set him up and do code right here. So don't forget to subscribe and keep checking back. There's so much more to come.
Subscribe.
Yep, subscribe to Nerd Chic. Yay!